There is absolutely no doubt that Ozzy is one of Drake and Travis Scott's favorite producer. From songs like Psycho Man in 2018
made this here with all the ice on in the booth,
to songs like First Person Shooter in late 2023.
biggest what?
But oh, after all of these years, does he keep being one of their go-to choice? That's what we're going to find out today. But first, I want you guys to subscribe on my channel to make sure you don't miss any of my uploads. Let's get back to the video. To start, let's listen to Grease by Drake and DJ Khaled.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah.
To recreate a similar mood, let's grab a smooth key one shot, which I process through delay and tape saturations plugin to finally play these chords. To make it more interesting and vibey, I layered that with a pad playing the same chords. For more movement, I added a counter melody using a bell sound from Skykeys plugin, which I processed through Portal to make it really unique. The last melodic elements I added are an arpeggio from Analog Lab in the background to add texture, and a vocal sample I got from Splice that's completing the whole nostalgic vibe. Finally, I pitch everything up 4 semitones to get that final melody. In the Grease beat, the drums are really simple and bouncy, using basic trap samples. So I grabbed a kick, a snare, a hi-hat and some open hat, which I completed with a subtle perk loop that I filtered in the background to spice it up a little. Now, for the low ends, I got 3 different basses. One typical trap 808 for the verses and the hook. And I also got 2 basses for the bridge section without the drums playing. Now I just need a real simple arrangement, alternating between the verse, the bridge and the hook. Here's the final result. So as well as making bouncy and vibey trap beats, Ozzy also produced more art trap songs. The one I picked is Dubai Shit by Travis Scott, Quavo and Offset.
Dubai shit, Dubai whips.
First, I played similar weird and mysterious chords using a plugin I like a lot named Absinthe 5 by Native Instruments, which is always great if you're trying to find weird sounds. To make the melody more impactful, I layered it with a key one shot, which I processed a lot. Then I added a pluck one shot, only playing the first chord of the melody. And finally I played a counter melody using a flute, and I pitched the whole thing 4 semitones. For the drums, I decided to do a real simple drop bounce as always, but with interesting snare rolls and playing with different open hats to accentuate the rhythm. Now just need to add a deep and distorted 808 following the kick drum. Now the arrangement was really simple and easy, playing with the octave of the main melody and adding some effects to have nice transitions. So that's it for today guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, comment and like, tell me any suggestion you got, that would really help me a lot. So thank you again and see you next week, bye bye.